toolbox here. After hours working on my shit. Got out here this morning, the old bike wouldn't start. Just wanted to, got a 2022 Roadglide. Came over here and turned my key on. Hell, I ain't got 16,000, I don't even remember. 16,000 miles. Wait for everything to come on. Hit the key. Watch my battery voltage. Do it one more time. And it's not a battery. Things to come. I'm going to look at the starter and the compensator. The compensators break on these and can create that possibly. That's my thoughts anyway, guys. Just take care of my bike, actually. You know, no, it's original battery, all that. You know, I even got a test Harley battery, just verifying that I wasn't stupid. Yeah, fixing a shovel head if you know somebody wants one. I'm gonna get off here, guys. Just wanted to say thanks. I'm out.